Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we are talking about Instagram account. How how we can switch a normal Instagram account, personal Instagram account, to a professional account, and how we can get a professional dashboard on our profile. It's very simple, but first of all, I request all of you do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Then you need to open your Instagram app. Then click on down right corner your profile. All right. Once open your profile, then you need to click on top right three bars. All right. Then click here. After clicking on three bars, then wait a moment. All right, to open your Instagram settings. All right, once your Instagram settings open, then go down. All right, go a little down, and here's the option that you need to find. Okay, on in for professionals account type and tools, click on that. Then here you need to click on switch to professional account. The first option is that, click here, and in moments, in seconds, get more tools and switch for free. You can freely switch your normal account to a professional account. Here you need to select your category, for example artist, musician, blogger, clothing, digital creator. Mostly suitable is digital creator. Then click on switch to professional account. Once you do that, then you can here you need to select a business, for a business or a creator. So choose your category, then click on next. Once you do that, then your account has successfully converted into a professional account. That's very simple, and here's the professional dashboard is available. I hope short tutorial is helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one, guys. Goodbye and best of luck.